So guys, this is my GitHub repository for the project which we discussed in the previous videos, throughout the videos, right? So here you can find everything, data source, evaluation metrics, the project link, wherein I explain, right? You might have seen the explanation part, which I did using the in this platform, right? So you can refer this, you can clone this, and you can clone this repo, and you can run it in your systems also. And moreover, you can also find the detailed blogs which I have written for the entire project which I discussed. So Hashnode and Medium, you can find the links here. And this is what the blog looks like. It has everything, whatever I discussed in the videos, starting from the problem formulation, EDA, modeling, predictions, everything it has. And you can also check this. You can also hear the audio blog of this. But in this blog, you will not find the entire code snippets, but the important snippets uh, you can find. For the entire project code, you have to either clone this repo, or you either have to look into this Jovian notebooks. Other ways you can do, but make sure you have a look. And for the front end part, for the deployment and the front end part, I have used Dash framework, which is the easiest way to create applications framework. And we can integrate Plotly here with Dash for the plots, right? So you can also check this. Here you also find the final pipeline and the front end part. So have a look at this and let me know what you think in the comments section. Please do start this repo if you find it useful, and we can meet again in the next project. Thank you all.